Hello, everybody, and welcome back to the channel for this week's Toolbox safety topic video. This week, we'll be talking about process and procedures. But before we get started, make sure you give me that thumbs up down below to encourage me to make more videos of this type. Also, subscribe to the channel where you'll find additional videos of this nature and you'll be notified of new releases. Well, let's go ahead and get started. A well-structured pre-shift process ensures job site safety, reduces risks, and improves efficiency. Following pre-shift procedures prevents accidents, ensures equipment is in proper working condition, and promotes a culture of safety. Beyond safety, following these procedures contributes to a more efficient and profitable job site, ensuring projects stay on schedule, avoid costly downtime, and minimize liability risk. Organizations that prioritize these practices foster a professional reputation and a strong safety culture. Number one on the list would be having a weekly Toolbox safety topic meeting. Toolbox talks address current safety concerns, reinforces best practices, and ensure workers are informed about job site hazards. Consistently discussing safety topics helps prevent injuries, reduces costly mistakes, and improves overall productivity by keeping workers engaged and aware. Conduct a short meeting at the beginning of the week or when new hazards arise. Topics should be relevant to ongoing work and focus on both risk prevention and process efficiency. And number two would be a daily PTP meeting prior to start of work. Identifying risk before starting work help prevents incidents. Daily meetings reinforce site-specific hazards and the steps needed to mitigate them. Proper planning reduces delays, minimizes costly rework, and ensures smoother workflow throughout the project. Conduct a quick daily meeting covering job-specific hazards, safety measures, responsibilities of team members, emergency procedures, and any job site conditions that may affect efficiency or safety. Equipment inspections. Pre-use inspections ensure all equipment is safe and functional, preventing failures that could cause injuries or downtime. Well-maintained equipment operates more efficiently, reducing breakdowns and costly repairs, and keeps projects on schedule and improving profitability. And then there's tool inspections, such as electrical hand tools. Damaged or faulty tools can cause electrocution, burns, or other injuries. Additionally, defective tools slow productivity and increase repair costs. Check the cords for frays or damage. Inspect plugs and casings for crack. Test functionality before use. And then they're associated with them are extension cords. Frayed or exposed wires can cause shock, fires, or short circuits. Power failures due to damaged cords can interrupt work and lead to costly project delays. Always inspect for cuts, exposed wiring, or damaged plugs. Ensure cords are rated for the job and not overloaded. Keep cords away from pinch points and water. And then there's personal fall protection equipment. Faulty fall protection gear can lead to serious or fatal falls. Properly maintained personal fall protection equipment ensures compliance with safety regulations, preventing costly fines and legal issues. Inspect harnesses, lanyards, and anchor points for wear and tear. Ensure all connectors and buckles are functioning properly. Replace damaged equipment immediately. And then there's tools like aerial work platforms. Malfunctioning aerial work platforms can lead to falls, tip overs, or collisions. Equipment failures delay work and increase repair and replacement cost. Check hydraulic systems for leaks. Test brakes, controls, and alarms. Inspect guardrails and stabilizers for integrity. And then there's the always present skid steer. Malfunctions can result in rollovers, crushing hazards, or loss of control, leading to damaged property and downtime. Inspect tires, tracks, and hydraulic systems. Check lights, horns, and backup alarms. Ensure all safety interlocks function properly. And there's big equipment as well. Excavators. Equipment failure can cause uncontrolled movements, rollovers, or struck by incidents, resulting in injuries and expensive repairs. Inspect boom, bucket, and hydraulic components. Check tracks and undercarriage for damage. Test controls, lights, and warning systems. And then all other equipment. Any defective equipment can introduce hazards to workers and bystanders. Regular inspections extend equipment lifespan, reduce repair costs, and keep work progressing smoothly. Perform a visual and functional inspection of all tools, machinery, and vehicles before use. In conclusion, pre-shift processes and procedure is a key part of job site safety. Performing toolbox talks, daily PTP meetings, and thorough equipment inspections help prevent accidents and ensure everyone goes home safely at the end of the day. Additionally, these practices lead to improved efficiency, reduced downtime, and increased profitability. A well-organized and safety-conscious job site protects workers, keeps projects on track, and strengthens the reputation of the organization. Stay safe, stay efficient, and stay profitable. All right, everybody. That's it for this week. I appreciate everybody stopping by, and I appreciate everybody watching. Make sure you give me the thumbs up down below to encourage me to make more videos of this type. Also, subscribe to the channel so that you'll be notified of new releases and you can find additional videos of this nature. And until we see each other again, take care of yourself because you're number one. Look out for your co-workers and help ensure their safety. And have a grateful day, and we'll see you in the next one. Safety is all on you. It's all on you, man.